Hey, how are you guys? It's Alex over at Porsche with Broward. Just want to go ahead and give you a look at our 2022 Python Green beautiful 911 Cabriolet. This beautiful car comes with the Sport Design package. You also have your Spider Design wheels, the 360 surround view on this car itself. And if we take a look at the back, you're going to have the Sport tailpipes in black as well with the rear logo in black. Moving on to the interior, we'll take a look at the beautiful racing yellow stitching on the black leather. You also have the leather on the side of the door. You're going to have it on the front dashboard as well as the seat belts on each side. You're going to have the Porsche crest on the seats as well. You'll have the central tachometer in racing yellow as well. So it's a real nice combination with the Python Green. If you guys happen to be interested in our beautiful Python Green 911 or one of our many pre-owned certified vehicles that we have at Porsche West Broward, give us a call. Thank you so much.